Hello everyone! Today, we will visit the onion field together to see how farmers grow, harvest, and process hundreds of tons of onions each season. This is what's going on in the onion fields. The machines you are seeing on the screen is the onion transplanter. This machine helps farmers who grow thousands of onions every hour. The onion growing machine is specially designed to automate the onion growing process, from digging the planting hole, placing the onion seeds in the correct position, and backfilling the seeds. With a precise mechanism system, these machines can do the job quickly and stably, providing optimum efficiency. Onion growers are often equipped with sensors and smart controllers, allowing to adjust the depth and distance of the onions. This ensures that each onion is planted at the correct location and optimal spacing, creating good growing space and improving yields. When the onion plant is 1 month old, it is an important period to take care of and ensure that the plants grow and yield. Water the onion plant regularly and make sure the soil around the plant remains moist but not flooded. Provide the right fertilizer to meet the nutritional needs of the onion plant. Remove weeds around onion plants to reduce competition for resources and space, and monitor and protect plants from pests and diseases. The time from planting onions to harvesting usually lasts about 3 months. When most of onion stalks are old and falling off, it is the ideal time to harvest the best quality onions. First, in harvest season, farmers here will cut the tops of onions by machine. The reaper will then come and pull the onion out of the ground quickly and efficiently. Instead of having to do this work manually, machines ensure automation and increase productivity during the harvesting process. The job of the farmers here is to cut down the excess plants after the onions are pulled from the ground. After the onions were pulled from the ground, a tractor with a truck arrived to collect the onions from the field. The tractor-mounted machine is an efficient device used to collect onions in the field and remove excess onions back to the field. After the tractor harvests fresh onions from the field, the tractor can also be equipped with a conveyor system to transfer the onions directly to the truck. This conveyor belt increases the speed and efficiency of the conveying process, which saves time and effort. The driver drives the tractor and truck parallel to each other during this process. After collecting the onions from the field, they will transport them to the factory. Upon arrival at the factory, onions are unloaded from the truck through a conveyor system. Workers here constantly check the unloading process to avoid interruption. In a modern onion factory, the process begins with the use of advanced machines to sort onions into different sizes. These machines are designed to automatically recognize and sort onions according to their size. Onions are brought into the plant through separate lines, and from there, they pass through a system of tunnels. During this process, layers are used to scan and collect information about the size and shape of each onion. These forms of information will be sent to a computer for the processing and sorting of the corresponding onions. In the onion processing plant, a dedicated worker monitors the information and controls the production process. Based on the information gathered, the computer will give instructions for the next conveyor system. The conveyor system is designed to separate onions according to their size. The onions are put on the conveyor, and the system will automatically recognize and sort them by size. Next, the onions are transferred to the cutter and peeled. This machine is designed to automatically cut and peel onions according to the pre-programmed process. Through this process, the onions that have been cut and peeled are collected and used for further production processes. After the onions have been cut and peeled, they continue to the washing process. This procedure is intended to remove any dirt or impurities remaining on the surface of the onions. After washing, the onions will be transferred to a long conveyor belt to bring them to the workers. Here, workers will continue to process onions by cutting off excess skin and selecting the best ones. Then the onions will be put into onion grinder into fine small pieces. After the cutting, peeling, and selection process, the onion slices are transferred to a weighing machine. The weighing machine is placed on a long conveyor belt to ensure a continuous and efficient weighing process. After the onions have been weighed, they continue to move on to the conveyor belt to the packing stage. Here, onions will be packed according to specific standards and requirements. The packaging process may include packing into bags, boxes, or other packaging, depending on the end use and customer requirements. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about the onion production process. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss interesting videos and useful knowledge about agriculture. See you in the next video.